Avocoder. In this lesson, we're going to look at min, max, average, round, and other functions, as well as arithmetic operators. So please give this video Emperor's thumbs up. We begin. Alright, so we are back to the Mockaroo service, and imagine that this time our company will give away some holidays as bonuses for its employees. So we create a new table. So the first column will be still the ID, the second one going to be destination of type country. So I'll better name it destination country. And the third column going to be destination city, and as you may guess, the type going to be of a type city. And the last column is going to be price. Price is going to be of type money. After that, we'll need to specify the range. Our range is going to be between 100 and 10,000. And please don't forget to remove the currency. So leave it to none. Otherwise, Mockaroo will going to insert the sign of this currency into the table. Right, the format going to be SQL, and the name of the table is going to be holiday. And we also need to tick include create table, because we're going to create a new table from scratch. We're going to leave it to 1000 rows, and let's check how it's going to look in SQL. So we have a lot of insert into statements with ID, countries, cities, and prices generated randomly. So now, as we're ready, we can download the data and switch to the VS Code to amend our create table statement slightly. First of all, I'm going to change the ID type from int to big serial, which will mean that the ID is going to increase automatically without us bothering to increase it manually. Then it's going to be of a type not null, and it's going to be our primary key. Then destination country and destination city will have 100 symbols as the limit. They're also going to be not null. And that is it. So the price we're going to change to the numeric type. Inside the brackets, we're going to specify precision and scale. So if we are talking pound sterling, it's going to be the whole pounds, and pennies we can specify in the price. And it's going to be not null again. And we are ready to go. Now we can import that table into our Postgres. We're going to type \i and the full path to the file, including the file name. And because I'm using the Windows, I need to change backslashes to the forward slashes. And because one of the folders does contain a space, I would need to put it inside the single quote. Okay, the semicolon, and we're ready to go. You've probably noticed some errors during the insertion. This is because some countries in their names do have some local symbols which I don't have. Alright, so let's see what we've got. We've got two tables. One is employee and one is holiday. Let's check out the holiday table, and we can see it consists of 4 columns. The first one is ID. It's going to increase automatically because of type big int. So let's select all from holiday, and as we can see, we have loads of records. We have randomly generated data, and I am trusting Mockaroo. That is precisely 1000 rows. Alright, the first function we're going to explore is going to be max. So in the brackets as an argument, we'll give a column called price, and it's going to return the maximum price that column contains. And it's 9989.74. I believe this is precisely right. Same goes for minimum, 127.72. And to check the average price, we can use the function shortened to AVG for average. Give price as an argument again. And yes, we're gonna have quite a lot of numbers after the decimal point, and we can actually short that by using the function round. We're going to round it up to the whole numbers. To do that, we're going to pass the average function as an argument itself to the round function. And as you can see, it looks a lot neater than it was before. Right, now imagine we want to find out the most expensive options. So we're going to type select destination country, then destination city, then the max function by price from our table holiday, and we're going to group them by destination country and destination city. And as you can see, these are the most expensive options by country and by a city. And of course, these numbers are completely random and it's nothing to do with the real life. However, what if we want to do the same but for the cheapest options? So in that case, we would probably use the function min, and we would leave everything else the same. Some cities and countries may repeat because they don't have any other options. Right, so what if we want to rank the countries by the least expensive options for us? So in that case, all we need to do, we need to remove the destination city, and we're going to leave it like that. And as you can see, we have country name and the cheapest option to visit that country on holiday. Again, those numbers are completely random. But what if we want to know what is the total price of all holiday trips, of all bonuses for our employees? To do that, we're going to use the function called sum. So we're going to sum up the price from the table called holiday, and it has given us the total price for all holidays in our table. And we could also sum up the holiday price by country. To do that, all we need to do is to add the destination country to our select statement. So we type select destination country, sum price from holiday, and we're gonna group it by destination country. And as you can see, this is the total price for certain destinations. Now imagine your calculator went out of order and Postgres is the only thing you have at hand, or imagine you want to do some calculations in your select statements. So I'll briefly show you all basic arithmetic operators that are available in Postgres. So these are the basic 4, and on top of that the exponentiation and modulus, as well as the factorial. Now let's do one more exercise just to solidify our understanding of the round function. So we're going to put select ID, destination country, destination city, the price from holiday table. And as you can see, the price is given in whole pounds and pennies. So what if we want the price to be displayed in whole pounds? That's pretty straightforward. All we need to do, we're going to use the round function. So in that case, we're going to pass price as an argument to the function. And now, as you can see, the price is returned in whole pounds. Looks good. So please give this video Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. That was V. Thank you and goodbye.